Hey everyone, the Vivo X200 Pro Mini has recently been unveiled as smallest device in Vivo's X200 flagship series. Known for releasing larger phones, Vivo's move to release a smaller flagship like this is unexpected yet intriguing. This video reviews the official specifications, features, and pricing of Vivo X200 Pro Mini based on its recent release. One of the standout features of the X200 Pro Mini is its compact size, which is complemented by a premium design crafted from glass and aluminum. The phone maintains a sleek appearance with flat sides and a quad-curved display, a feature that makes the edges of the screen slightly curved while keeping the overall display mostly flat. This micro-curved design ensures a balanced mix of form and functionality. At 6.31 inches, the LTPO OLED display comes with a 1.5K resolution, 2,640 by 1,216 pixels, delivering vibrant visuals and smooth transitions, making it a top-tier display for a compact flagship. The display also features a small center-placed camera hole, and the bezels are impressively thin. A key selling point of the Vivo X200 Pro Mini is its Zeiss-supported camera system. The rear camera setup features a unique rhombus arrangement, which distinguishes it from its larger siblings in the X200 series. The triple 50-megapixel configuration is formidable. Main camera, 50 megapixels. Sony LYT-818 sensor. Tele-macro camera, 50 megapixels with 3 times optical zoom and 100 times digital zoom, and ultra-wide camera, 50 megapixels JN1 sensor. The camera system is supported by Vivo's V3 Plus imaging chip, making the X200 Pro Mini a powerful device for photography enthusiasts. Powered by MediaTek's latest Dimensity 9400 chipset, the Vivo X200 Pro Mini is equipped with up to 16 gigs of LPDDR, 5x Ultra Pro RAM, and UFS 4.0 flash storage, ranging from 256 gigs to 1 terabyte. This makes it a performance beast, ensuring smooth multitasking and lag-free gaming. Battery life is also impressive, with a 5,700 mAh battery, coupled with 90-watt fast-wired charging and 30-watt wireless charging. This provides long-lasting battery life with fast recharge times. The X200 Pro Mini ships with Vivo's Origin OS 5 in China, but it will likely transition to FunTouch 15 OS, based on Android 15, for global markets. It also offers IP68 water and dust resistance, which is crucial for durability. In China, the Vivo X200 Pro Mini starts at $663 for the 12 gigs RAM and 256 gigs storage version. Global prices will vary, but the device is set to compete in the premium flagship market. The Vivo X200 Pro Mini presents itself as a compelling choice for those seeking a small flagship with premium features. It offers top-tier performance, impressive camera capabilities, and an attractive design, all in a more compact form. While Vivo's move into the small flagship category is unexpected, the X200 Pro Mini seems poised to capture attention with its well-rounded feature set and competitive pricing. What do you think about the new phone? Write your opinion in the comments. Also, subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and see you soon.